To assist in navigating heavily traveled roads, Volkswagen offers Blind Spot Monitor. Blind Spot Monitor can be activated at speeds above 9 miles per hour. The Blind Spot Monitor scans the area behind and to each side of the vehicle and can alert you when other vehicles enter these zones. The monitored zone is roughly 21 yards behind and 1 lane wide on each side of the vehicle. When a vehicle enters the zone, warning lights on the respective side view mirror will illuminate. If you activate a turn signal to change lanes while other vehicles are in the zone, the warning lights will flash brightly to warn against changing lanes. If your vehicle is equipped with lane assist and the blind spot monitor senses that a vehicle is in the zone, as you begin to make a lane change, the system will attempt to make a steering correction. If the driver overrides the steering correction, the steering wheel will vibrate as an additional warning. Blind Spot Monitor can be deactivated in the instrument cluster display by going to Assist Systems and selecting Blind Spot Monitor and uncheck the feature. You can also activate or deactivate the feature in the infotainment system by selecting the Driver Assistance menu and scrolling to Blind Spot Monitor.